guys, today's video, mag-food review tayo from Gigi's Cakes and Party Trays, ang kanyang mga short order. So we have chicken cordon bleu, pancit canton, kare-kare, of course, with masarap na bagoong, and buko pandan. So let's start with kare-kare. Syempre, hindi naman mawawala dyan ang rice kapag meron tayong kare-kare. Crispy lechon kawali ang way ng Gigi's Cakes and Party Tray sa kanyang kare-kare. So, titikman na natin ang kanyang crispy kare-kare. And of course, lagyan natin ng bagoong. Sarap. Grabe. Malambot yung kanyang karne, guys, in fairness. Crispy pero malambot. Sing lambot ng puso ko. So, mapaparami kayo talagang kanin dito, guys. Once tinry nyo tong crispy kare-kare ng Gigi's Cakes and Party Trays. Yan. Next naman, mga millennials, tatry natin ang chicken cordon bleu ng Gigi's Cakes and Party Trays. Wow! Look at that! Siyempre, i-dip natin siya sa tartar sauce. Yummy! Grabe! Masarap! So next naman, mga millennials, pancit canton naman ang aking titikman. Pero syempre kailangan ko ng saucer. Wow, instant, di ba? Videographer ko, the best. Wow, my favorite pancit canton. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, favorite ko yung pancit canton ng Gigi's Cakes and Party Trays. So sa mga gusto dyan magpa-catering, gusto nyo rin ng short order, party tray, syempre babalatan natin yung hipon, guys. Yeah. Wow. Pampalong life. Masarap. Ang bango ng aroma ng pancit canton. May pang Chinese yung kanyang pancit canton. Wow. And of course, hindi mawawala, mga millennials, ang dessert kapag mayroong ganito kasarap na kainan. Pandan by Gigi's Cakes and Party Trays. Wow. Wow. Yummy. Legit. Affordable, masarap. Di ba, may tagabigay pa ako ng tissue. Anyway, guys, kung gusto nyo po ng short order, party trays, or catering and cakes, available po ang Gigi's Cakes and Party Trays for any occasion. Paki-like and follow na rin po ang kanilang Facebook page. Ito yun, no? Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, follow, or share on my Facebook page. It's Hazel Angeles channel. And also to my YouTube channel as well. It's Hazel Angles. Like and subscribe. Blah, blah, blah. Bye, guys.